Alright.
Mrs. Gina R. Garcia, head of Ilayaga Nilaya Elementary School, Trinidad 2 District. By the authority, responsibility, and accountability, destining me as the grade 6 advisor of Ilayaga Nilaya Elementary School, articulated in the Republic Act number 9155, otherwise known as the Governance of Basic Education Act of 2001, Republic of the Philippines. It is my honor to present to you 50 candidates for graduation who, to my knowledge, have satisfactorily completed the minimum requirements for the basic education curriculum as prescribed by the Department of Education, Republic of the Philippines for the school year 2025 to 2026. It is prayerfully hoped that the graduation of these candidates from basic education curriculum be confirmed and recommended that they be given their basic education diploma effective today, March 31, 2026. My recommendation.
Mr. Romualdo Loreto, School Head of Malasan Elementary School, Trinidad District.
Palit lagi kita
As School Head of Ilayaga Nilaya Elementary School, Trinidad District, upon the representation of the Vice Teacher, Mrs. Virginia Negredo of Ilayaga Nilaya Elementary School, that these learners have completed the minimum requirements set forth by the Department of Education. I therefore recommend confirmation of their graduation from basic education curriculum for the elementary level. Year 2025-2026 and be given their graduation certificates effective today, March 31, 2026. Sir, for your confirmation.
Where the authority, responsibility, and accountability of the school's division superintendent or the Department of Education, School Division of District me upon the presentation of the grade 6 teacher of Ilayaga Nilaya Elementary School, Mrs. Virginia Negredo, and duly recommended by the school head, Mrs. Gina R. Garcia of Trinidad District, that these 50 candidates for graduation have satisfactorily completed the requirements for basic education curriculum. I therefore confirm the graduation of these candidates effective today, March 31, 2026. And that they are entitled to receive their basic education certificates. As a graduate of the basic education curriculum, you are therefore eligible to enroll in any secondary schools of your choice. As a holder of the basic education certificate, you are also entitled to enjoy all the rights and privileges thereto appertaining. Congratulations.